Welcome to my second video of Declutter This. Hey guys, it's Kate. Happy Frugal Friday. My hair looks crazy right now. I just got out of a wind tunnel. It's like 30 something degrees all of a sudden. It has snowed 3 times today. I don't know what's happening. Last week I did a small declutter and I got lots of feedback that people were really getting value out of that. So I'm gonna do one more before I move back on to my frugal living and budgeting topics next week. But I'm going to do another little small section, and then I'm going to do just some room cleaning. I know that when I'm watching these kinds of videos, I get super motivated. So I'm hoping that will do the same for you. Even just watching and seeing progress, it just helps me. So I hope it helps you. Let's get to some cleaning and decluttering. Here we go. Here is where you walk in at my house, and as you can tell, I've got some issues here, guys. Look at this. It has gotten out of control because we just walk in and throw everything. Like, we kick our shoes right there, and then Kaden takes his sweatshirt off and apparently throws it on the floor instead of putting it where it belongs. So this part of the video is very embarrassing when you see my room later. And you're going to be like, well, Kate, the apple didn't fall very far from the tree. No wonder he kicks his shoes off and throws his clothes in a pile. Because, Kate, look at your room. Mama's got to hunker down here and clean this out. First of all, there's a bunch of winter boots we're not going to use. This is a bubbler, actually, that Kaden's dad got us because his cats love it. And we love it, too. Our cats love this thing. This I've got to tackle. Again, it's a very small area of the house, but it looks like not good. Let's do this. Let's count how many. This will be fun. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, and I don't know if this will count, probably not, but hat and gloves. That's what we've got for clothes that don't belong on the floor. And then as you can see, the rest are shoes and other various things that don't belong. Now I must deal with the shoes. You love that fresh water, huh? Huh? Okay, so this isn't drastic, but it's much better. You can actually see the floor. Hey, Hannah. Bless you. Oh, oh. Kaden, how is this looking? Is this looking better?
Way better.
Way better? Do you think instead...
I wear just barely any shoes.
Well, those are the ones we wear the most. But also, Kaden, do you think that instead of throwing our clothes on the floor, we could just put them in the laundry where they belong or back on the shelf if they're not dirty?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You can't end it. You can't end it.
While I was doing this, you guys, I was watching my friend Deidre from Slay This Debt. If you haven't seen her channel, I think you would love her. So check her out. We did a collab on how to save money in the summer. And I think, you know, summer's coming and I think you should check her out. She's got great tips and watch our video. Okay, brace yourself. This is, I'd like to say like this is a rare moment. It's not. I'm a slob and I throw my clothes on the floor often and I go through this often. I never learn my lesson. First things first, make your bed. There's something so satisfying about having a freshly made bed with clean sheets. I love it. The next step is destroy your happiness by taking everything that was on the floor and piling it on top of your beautiful bed that you were just excited about and now realize that you have some slobby tendencies that you need to handle. And the rule is you cannot lay in that bed until every single item of clothing is addressed, put away, put in the laundry, put where it belongs, which is not on previous scene floor.
You're about to hear a lot of Kaden's voice in the background, highs and lows of his voice. He's FaceTiming with his dad and they're playing Roblox and they're having a lot of fun, as you can probably tell.
How do I tackle this? Well, I start with this and I take a laundry basket, I put it in my room and I start putting all the dirty clothes in the laundry basket to start so I can get a load of laundry going. While the laundry is going, I'm gonna get some spaghetti started. Just easy breezy, thin spaghetti with some sauce and some grated Parmesan. Does anyone else find the boiling of this just hypnotizing? Look at that. Ooh. Ah, spaghetti. I just took all my pants out and made a big pile here, and I'm going to try them all on and see what fits, and if it doesn't fit, goodbye. I just decided to take my shorts out too and my capri pants so I can be ready for summer. I am fairly certain, you guys, that I don't wear 90% of that. This is still the clothes that I'm working on putting away, but this is the pile of pants, capris, and shorts, and I am like I said, I'm fairly certain I don't wear 90% of these. I'm going to go through everything, try them all on, and I'm going to be realistic. If they fit and they look good, I will keep them. If they do not fit, or for whatever reason, you know, sometimes something just fits weird and you just don't like it, and you're not really going to wear it, I am not going to keep it this time, guys. I'm serious. Let's see. We start with this big pile, and let's see how far I can get it to what I'm actually going to use. So this is a little shocking to me. I have 17 pairs of pants and shorts and capris that I do not wear. So these are all going to be donated. And then again, I keep putting my laundry. So I'm not done putting away the laundry, as you can tell, putting dirty laundry in there. These are the ones that I'm going to donate, which is 17 pairs. And I'm only keeping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus I think I have a couple in the laundry, and I'll double check and make sure I like those also. So look at that, 17 that I'm getting rid of, and only 6 plus probably a couple that I'm keeping. And honestly, guys, this feels really good.
17 pairs of pants? What the? All right, I'm about to move on to shirts. But before we do, if you're still watching, type in the comments, declutter this. And then when you're done watching this video, find something and say, declutter this, and declutter it. It's gonna feel good.
Going through my pants really inspired me, so I went through all my shirts. I just counted, I've got 20 shirts here that I'm going to donate, and they will no longer take up room in my closet, and they do not spark joy. I've been watching some Marie Kondo tidying up. Man, that is inspirational. And I am feeling very good about getting rid of these 20 shirts. Right, Buns? Right, Hannah? Yay. Hey, Buns! The bed is clear and the floor is clear. Oh, yeah. The only problem is this and this. I, for some reason, cannot get this clean, and I don't know why. I need to work on this. Just clean this off. I don't know what I'm going to put back, but look, this was all that was on there. I guarantee most of that's trash. This is all I wanted to put back. Let's see how soon I will mess this up, but right now it looks nice, huh?
Hopefully you guys aren't as messy as I am. I'm not dirty. Things are not dirty. Like, you're not going to find like dirty dishes with like food caked on them in different rooms. It's more just messy. I'm very messy. And if you saw my video, I'll link it up here. 2 of my goals for 2020 was to finally get this clutter under control. Well, one of the goals was to get my clutter under control. The other one was to eat better. I'll tackle that in another video. And I just wanted to share that in my mind, it's not real, what I'm going to say. In my mind, I think when I move into my new house, which I don't have a new house yet, but that is the goal. And I'll talk about that in a future video. I'm trying to save for a house right now. But in my mind, I'm always thinking like, oh, well, when I move into the new house, I'm not going to bring any junk. I'm not going to bring anything that I don't want. And I'm going to start fresh. And I'm going to start clean. And I hope that's true. But the truth of the matter is, if you are messy now, there's no excuse for me of why I'm not making it clean and decluttered now. How about now? Instead of making excuses, I can be like, oh, I'm a single mom. I work all day. I'm tired at night. And on the weekends, we're home like everyone else. Like, that's why I'm able to do these videos right now because I'm home. But normally, right? Like, you know, we've got other stuff going on. You're going here, you're going there. Right now is the time. If you can focus and that's a goal, now's the time. So now's the time for me. So I'm tackling it while I can, and it feels really good. If you're new here, I just want you to know this is not the normal kind of video that I am always putting out. However, I do believe a cluttered house leads to a cluttered mind. A cluttered space leads to a cluttered mind. Cluttered everything leads to a cluttered mind. So I also think when you have a clearer mind, you can think more clearly about the things that matter to you, which kind of goes back to my frugal living and saving money, and then into minimalism and the whole thing. So it's all tied in together. But normally I'm talking about how to save money, how to live frugally and happily. And if you are a current subscriber, thank you so much for being so supportive and being here each week. I make videos every single Friday. I release them at 9 a.m. So I'm just so happy you're here and you're taking the time to watch this. So if you're not subscribed, hit that red subscribe button, hit the bell so you know each time I upload. And then if you could hit that like button, it helps the YouTube algorithm say, hey, we like this video. I appreciate that. I'm thinking next week of doing a video on how I'm saving money during quarantine. If you like that idea and you want to see that video, leave a comment down below. If you want my channel to just completely switch to decluttering, also let me know. I'm sure that's not what you want every single week, but let me know if you do want that video on how I'm saving money during quarantine. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next Friday. Bye, guys.